Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Arlene Timblaco, 36 years old from Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have four children. Their ages are 16, 14, 12, and 11. My height is 154 centimeter and my weight is 58 kilograms. I have 2 years experience as a nanny and as a housemaid in the Philippines to a Chinese employer way back 2015-2016. There are 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 children. My main duty are cleaning house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of their children. I have 2 years experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. My employer is Princess Mashail Sultan Abdulaziz Al Saud. There are 3 members in the family, 2 adults and 1 child. My main duty are cleaning the house and serving my employer. I am honest, trustworthy, flexible, responsible, hardworking, and obedient. My future employer, if you choose me as your worker, I will love and taking care of your family. Thank you and God bless.